We are honored to announce Alexandre Family Farm is the first and only dairy in the U.S. to be verified by the Savory Institute and invited by the Regenerative Organic Alliance to join their pilot program. Blake and Stephanie Alexandre set out over 25 years ago to bring healthy, old-fashioned practices and values to their new farm. They directed their 5 generations of farming know-how into a singular focus on the health of their ecosystem, and they knew it depends on the soil. More than 2 decades later, their result is a shining, large-scale agriculture example of regenerative hope. With 4,200 cows grazing and 35,000 hens roaming on 4,300 organic acres, the Alexandre soil has gone from 2% organic matter to 8% and 15% organic matter of rich soil teeming with life.